Mutongoi wa ngwatanio ya Azimio-oka Raila Odinga niwatula Muti Silikali kwondu kwambatya Thooa wa Mauta kavindani ka akenya maendeeye na kwikumbilwa ni ngalama yiulu ya mikalile. Ingi Raila niwaweta kana Silikali niyiekete maundu ma kisomo makonza vyo vanthi ya Kenya na wonanio wa Silikali yiemetwe ni wayo. Steven Mwema nukwelesya.
Kenyans have been treated to loud claims and boast on how great we are doing as a nation.
Ngwatanio ya Azimio-oka Kenya itongwe ni Raila Odinga Kalonzo Musyoka madhakarua na ituingi ngwatanio ni yene yumania banene itambia ya Silikali ya kuongala Thooa wa Mauta ma petroli, diesel na mata eyasia kana kikiende kubinya mu Kenya kwa kumwaicha mukuo munene wa ngalama ya mikalile yiulu kavindani kala uende na kubinyewa.
It is clear we are in reckless race to the bottom. At midnight, the cost of diesel went up by 21 Kenya shillings. Paraffin, exports Kenya Kwanza, when its price went up by 33 shillings. Petrol, exports Kenya Kwanza, after rising by 16 shillings higher. All indicators point to the fact that life is deteriorating, not improving. The cost of every item that is basic to life has gone up. In the last 1 year, the following have happened. 1. The price of 1 kilogram of sugar has gone up by 61%. 2. The price of 1 kilogram of loose maize flour has gone up by 9.6%. 3. Rent for a single room rose by 2.8%. Given the rise in fuel after last night, we estimate that these prices will go up by up to 70%.
Raila Odinga ulawanengane uneni wa ngwatanio easia Thooa masiendo sibata sia kutumia ni mambatite muno na yukumana na kwambata kwa Thooa wa Mauta Thooa masiendo ni meyo kwambata yengi aikosoa Silikali kana bayimbolea itonya kuola ngalama ya mikalile Thooa wa Mauta yiulu.
Inflation is driven by the cost of food and fuel. As long as the government has not resolved the price of food and fuel, the cost of living will not come down. No amount of fertilizer will lower the cost of food as long as the cost of fuel is unchecked. Diesel is one of the highest costs in farming. Even if you give the citizen a bag of fertilizer, but make it impossible for her or him to plow an acre of land, you have not solved the problem.
Kavindani kau Raila Odinga ni watula Muti Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza kwa dhamwene nthi akatania kisomo cha mana Kenya Kwanza yose kibila ayaseka na yungalama ya kisomo ni ambatite muno kuma Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza yosa mwanya.
In 1 year, Kenya Kwanza has thrown the education sector into a deep financial crisis. In public, Kenya Kwanza administration continues to talk about free education. The reality in our schools and homes across Kenya is that education is no longer free, either in primary or secondary schools.
Steven Mwema wa Mauvo va Mutongoi TV.